Today's recipe, barbecue bacon wrapped bell pepper rings. I first start off by slicing my peppers into rings. These rings are about a half an inch thick. Once I slice the pepper ring, I go around the edges and clean it up, removing all the seeds. And this is what it should look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and core and slice the remaining bell peppers. You can use any color bell pepper you like for this recipe. So here we have our bell pepper rings and we have our sliced bacon. Now for this recipe, you want to go with a lesser expensive bacon cut. You want to use the thin cut bacon because it wraps around the bell pepper rings much easier than a thicker cut. Each bell pepper ring will usually take one slice of the bacon. Sometimes I did run out and have to cut an additional half slice of bacon, but it usually takes one slice of bacon to go around the entire ring. Now on this piece of pepper, you can see that I ran out of bacon, so I'm just using a half slice and I'm just using it to cover the exposed piece. Alright, so now our peppers are all nicely covered and wrapped in the bacon, and we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. For the sauce, I'm using some sriracha, no sugar added, raised barbecue sauce, and some sugar-free harmless honey. And we'll give that all a stir, and then we're going to use that to base our pepper rings. Now that our rings are all nicely basted with the barbecue sauce, we're going to go ahead and place this in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, so we're at the halfway point. So I did remove it from the oven, and as you can see, I'm basting it again with the barbecue sauce, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip it and we'll baste the other side with some more barbecue sauce. So now we'll go ahead and place it back in the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so our pepper rings are done and this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and plate it. If you like this recipe, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. The entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. As always, I thank you all for watching.